Hello everyone, so welcome this video with English class with teacher again. So how are you? I hope that everyone okay, right? Okay, teacher feels so glad that meet you in this video with the new lesson also. Okay, so now let's move on with our lesson. Okay, oh, what teacher will teach you today? Let's start. Okay, actually we will see the lesson. Everyone see the lesson already in teacher video because teacher make it a step by step to show you, to make that everyone feel so easy to understand, because I don't want uh, let everyone feel so boring. Okay, feel so bored, like I don't understand this one. So teacher make short video, let everyone understand so easy. Okay, so now let's move to our lesson today is present simple, but with what? Yes no answer. Yes no answer is like we call that short answer. Okay, because in teacher class they always answer teacher again and again, like, everyone, are you hungry? And they say, yes I do. Is it correct? No, it's not correct, because that's why teacher always clear about this one, let they know. Okay, so now let's move. Like you know already the form of the quiz question, do or does. Okay, do, does plus subject plus verb plus complement and the question, and then also with yes or no. Okay, so teacher will explain you. For example, teacher have the question here: do you brush your teeth every morning? Do you brush your teeth every morning, everyone? Yes. Okay, so the answer, you can answer. How you can answer, everyone? Yes. Okay. I do. Okay, like this. If you brush your teeth every morning, you answer yes I do. Okay. Maybe everyone, some of you maybe answer like yes I am. Okay. Look, the question that the teacher asks you is do. That's why I want you to turn the same, because this one what we call present simple tense, the action that happen every day. Okay, so yes I do. But if you don't, like for example, you don't brush your teeth every day, so what gonna be your answer? Okay, no I don't. This is just example only, but everyone they brush your teeth every day, right? No I don't. Okay. No, I don't, like this. Alright? Okay. You got it? Yeah. Again. Do you brush your teeth every day? Okay, good. Yes, I do. Okay. Now, this one. Do they go to school every day? Do they go to school every day, everyone? Okay. How you can answer short answer? Yes and no. So, you're gonna answer yes. Yes, what everyone? Yes, they do. Okay. Okay, one more. If they don't go to school every day, how you can answer? Okay. No, I don't. Okay. Sorry. Teacher wrong, right? I'm sorry. Teacher wrong. Sorry. Okay. No, they don't. All right. Again. Do they go to school every day? Yes, they do. Okay. Okay, now the next question. Teacher use does with Tom. Why? Because Tom is a person singular. That's why teacher use does. Okay, like she and he and it. So teacher use does in question sentence. Now let's see. Does Tom sleep at 10 o'clock? Okay. Who know Tom? Who know Tom a routine? Yes, maybe you know, right? Okay. Yes. Yes, what? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Right? Or how you can answer? No, he doesn't. Okay. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Alright. So why we use he? Yes, because Tom is boy, so we don't want to say his name again. That's why we use subject to subject pronoun to instead of Tom. Okay? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. You got it? So now one more. Does she have her breakfast? Oh, does she have her breakfast? Okay, how you can answer everyone? Yes. So okay, this is just only example only. Yes, she what? Yes, she does. Okay, because she always have her breakfast. Okay, she never skip her breakfast, right? Or maybe she don't because she don't want to be like fat like teacher. No, she doesn't. Maybe she skip sometime because she don't want to get fat like me. Okay. That's okay, just kidding. This is just example that teacher would like you to know how to answer with yes, no question only. Okay, now repeat again and please, today we're gonna study with a question sentence or present simple with answer, with short answer, yes or no. Okay, example, do you brush your teeth every day? Okay, you're gonna answer yes, I do. But if you say no, they're gonna be say no, I don't. Okay. One more, do they go to school every day? Okay, you can answer yes they do or no they don't. Okay. Does Tom sleep at 10 o'clock? Yes, he does. Or you can answer no, he doesn't. Okay. According to his routine, the real one. Okay. Does she have her breakfast? Okay, you can answer yes, she does or no, she doesn't. Okay. So thank you everyone for this video. I hope that you understand and know how to answer short answer with yes, no, okay, question. Okay, with yes, no answer. Okay. So thank you for today. Please have a good holiday. Bye bye everyone.